Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start.
Dialogue 1, Lost Homework.
Hey, Mark. Did you see the history assignment Mrs. Johnson gave us?
Yeah, it's on the Battle of Gettysburg. But I can't find my completed homework anywhere.
Oh no, that's not good. Maybe you left it at home.
I checked, but it's not there. I might have left it in the library after doing some research.
You should go check the library. Mrs. Johnson won't be happy if you don't turn it in on time.
You're right. I'll head to the library right away and see if it's there.
Dialogue 2, Confusing Timeline.
Hi, Maria. I'm having trouble understanding the timeline of events during the Renaissance. I get that, Liam. The Renaissance is quite complex. What specific part is confusing you? I'm having a hard time remembering the order of the major artistic and scientific advancements. Let's break it down together. First, there was the revival of classical art, followed by advancements in science by figures like Galileo and Copernicus. Oh, I think I mixed up the order. Thanks for clarifying, Maria. No problem, Liam. History can be tricky, but breaking it into smaller parts often helps.
Dialogue 3, Projector Malfunction.
Hi, Alex. I was supposed to present my project using the projector, but it's not working.
Oh no, that's not good. Did you try turning it off and on again?
Yeah, but it's still not working. I think we might need to call the IT department.
That could take a while. Maybe you can present without the slides for now, and I'll inform the teacher about the technical issue.
I guess that's my only option. Thanks, Alex. I hope they fix it soon.
No problem, Natalie. Technical issues happen, and your teacher will understand.
Dialogue 4, Library Closure.
Hi, Emily. I was planning to do some research in the library after class, but it's closed today.
Oh, that's unexpected. Maybe there's a notice or an announcement about the closure?
I didn't see anything. I even checked the website, but there's no information.
That's strange. Maybe you can ask the front office or another teacher if they know why the library is closed today.
Good idea, Emily. I'll do that and see if I can reschedule my research time.
Dialogue 5, Textbook Mix-Up.
Hi, Jason. I grabbed the wrong textbook this morning, and I just realized it when I got to history class.
That's not ideal. Do you have a friend in the class who can share their book with you today?
Unfortunately, I don't. And we have a pop quiz based on the reading.
Yikes. Maybe you can quickly check the table of contents and skim through a friend's book during the quiz.
I guess that's my only option. I'll ask around and hope someone can help me out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.